Hello again, welcome. I'm back cooking again, and a fruitcake type thing. Only I'm using different fruits with this one. It's kind of a 2-ingredient thing, but so this is frozen fruits. It's about 168 grams of them. And I'm just going to put them in a casserole dish that I have here. I'm going to put this in the casserole dish in a single layer. So, and this is strawberries, bananas, mango, and dragon fruit. And it looks like I might need a little bit more of the fruit here. So this is one I just came up with when I was had my surgery, after the surgery. So it was a time I didn't want to do a whole lot of cooking yet. So because I'm just getting out of this splint like a few weeks ago. And it looks like with this one, I'm gonna need it all. But the dragon fruit, as you can see, is turning it a very nice pink color. And the rest of this, I'm gonna use the Mixquick with. So I'm going to pour this into the bowl here. This is a cup of Mixquick, or 102 grams, is a little bit over. And then I'm going to pour in the dragon fruit juice. This is just the juice from the frozen fruit. And I'm pouring in there. And then going to mix that up. I just pour it over the top. And by the way, this does need to be greased beforehand, which I had done already in the interest of time. So when you're doing this, just use you just strain out the juices from the frozen fruits and into a bowl, and you just mix it with the Mixquick. Or you can use Bisquick also, but you might need to use eggs that way. So it would add more ingredients. But you don't need to use milk. Generally with Mixquick, a lot of times we'll use water because we can't have protein. And so the milk has protein, but a lot of us do use a non-dairy milk. And so just trying to get the rest of this out. This is going to be a different color than it was last time because I used different fruits. But just going to spread that out a little. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about a half hour. I also got a little bit cracked in the oven, so I probably cooked it for a little bit too long. I'm going to say probably about 25 minutes would have been good. I checked it at 20 and it was still too moist in the center. So just adding some whipped cream on and some fruits. Now one thing you do want to do is wait until this cools down, because if you don't, the whipped cream tends to not spread tends to melt also, and it doesn't look as good. So, and now I'm just going to add on the fruits. So I have some grapes and some bananas here. And let's see, I'll go with the grapes first. And these grapes are like 3/10 of a gram of protein, so they're really low. Just the 9 there because I got the bananas also, which I'm going to put around kind of in a square like that. Any fruit except for bananas would have been better because it adds a little color. So, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thank you for your time.